Okay, everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking on Empire Gold Mining. Today I'm calling it bacon rancho gratin. And you start with about 2 pounds of potatoes, sliced up, thin as you can get them, like this here. There's a little tip on your potatoes so they don't roll around as much. Slice the bottom off a little bit like that, and keep them from rolling around. Those cut up. We're also going to need about a quarter cup of chives. Goes in there. That back in there. Okay, onion time. Now, the recipe actually calls for, cabbage, but I'm not keen on cabbage, so I'm not doing cabbage. I'll substitute with about half an onion, which I'm going to finely chop or dice. Or you could julienne. It really doesn't matter how you chop it up as long as you have it small or large if you like larger pieces. Alright, there's our onion. Now I'm going to get that pan. Okay, now we're going to cook the onion. I got some bacon grease I saved from when I cooked the bacon. Put a little bit of that in here. Okay, not a little bit, about 2 tablespoons. Now what we're going to do is we're going to split these down a little bit, just till they start turning a little bit translucent. Okay, I'm going to want to season a little bit of salt and pepper. Remember, you season just about the whole meal there. So. Yeah, I'm going to bring us back over here. Where did my knife go? There it is. Okay, this is the bacon I cooked earlier. Just going to give it a chop up a little. You want bigger chunks, go bigger chunks. Doesn't matter. However you want. Yeah. You know, those are starting to get a little translucent, a little bit cleaner, clearer. Add bacon back in, get it warmed back up. And typically, this recipe actually calls for the cabbage, like I said, and this is what you would do with the cabbage. But substituting onion for cabbage today. Alright, well, while this is taking care of that, we're back over here again. So you want to butter your pan. And this recipe can be made in crock pot or in your Dutch oven, either way. That's nicely buttered. It's about hot, so now we've got about 2 cups of Parmesan Romano, 3 cheese blend, whatever. You can use one or the other. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to mix the other ingredients together. You got your about 2 pounds of potatoes into the bowl over here. And then into that we're going to add our milk, which is about 2.5 cups, or buttermilk, either way. We're going to add our cheese, about 2 cups. Our ranch dressing, I added about a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme to it. And a little bit of salt and pepper. My onions back there are done. I'll pull those off. Stove off. Okay, so you want to mix this up. You know what? Get in there with your hands is a lot easier. At this point, your hands are already clean anyhow from cutting and washing your hands prior. Okay, now we're going to layer. There we go. These in. Try and make sure they're all separated. One clump of all the same flavor potato. Today we're using a red potato and yellow Yukon. Alright, that's enough of that there. Yummy. Alright, here's the onion. Layering this in the middle. Now, if this was cooled off a little bit, yes, you could use your hands, but it's a little work. So. Spread it out the best you can in there. Alright, another layer. Some thicker pieces of potato in there. Those won't hurt anything. Alright, now let's get the rest of this liquid in there. Cheese and all that other goodness. Alright, level everything out best you can. And again, so that, I forgot to mix these in. So I'll just do it now. Forget about the layers on my half. Mix that in. Alright, that's better. Alright. I'll layer some more of this on top. It's the bacon and onions again. Ooh, hot, hot, to burn my finger. Ooh-wee. Alright, there we go. Put that in there. I'll top this with a little more of this here. Clean my hands off. I get a little more cheese on top. And then we'll bake in the oven at about 375. Covered, tin foil. Some more of that 3 cheese blend that I had. Ooh, hot. Okay, and this is going to go in the oven for 1 hour, just like this. 30 minutes, we'll be back all cleaned up and ready to take the tinfoil off so I can brown up for the last 30 minutes. Okay, we gotta put it back in for another, I think it's half an hour. Okay, our potatoes are done. Oh, that's hot. Alright, the final thing we put on here is the last bit of the chives that we saved at the end. Chives. Chives and potatoes, they go great together, don't they? In the trash we go. Okay, that's the Parmesan or gratin ranch potatoes. Hope you guys like them. Okay, we're pairing it with beef sausage, I guess you would call it. Smells good. What, Katie? Oh. I'm gonna taste it. Hot and yummy. Absolutely good.